These are the elevators here at the shops at Liberty Place in Center City, Philadelphia. Send this one down. Try to get another one. Go ahead. There goes that one. I gotta talk over this music because there's copyrighted music playing. Want to get this one. Oh. Go down the ground. Very nice Otis elevator. Going down?
Yep.
What floor?
P1.
Okay.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
How's it going?
Alright, I'm gonna have to cut this video short because my battery's going dead. Go to 2. And that's it.